report is sponsored by Lowe's. This Black Friday, what do prices dropping mean upgrade your home shopping? Lowe's, actually. Black Friday is here. Save $1,179 on a Samsung Bespoke laundry pail. Get the deals while you still can on appliances only at Lowe's. Offer valid through 11/23. Exclusions apply. See store for details.
Dan Bongino. Remember, it was Barack Obama who said, do not underestimate Joe's ability to move things up. It rhymes with clock. Bongino, 9 to noon on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Balance of nature, changing the world one life at a time.
Not as tired as she used to get. Gives her energy to do things around the house.
I really appreciate it. I really like your product. I'm happy with it.
You don't have to really think about it anymore. You've got it, and it's in your diet. Regularity, let's put it that way. It's very good. Because I don't always eat my vegetables and fruit, so I know I'm better with it.
A little more energy and just feeling pretty good overall. Seems to work so far. No complaints.
I feel something good. I can point my finger on, but I feel good in general.
I do have a little bit more energy, do stuff after work, whereas before I didn't really want to do stuff and just wanted to sit around.
I think I have a little more energy. I'm an older, disabled person, and I don't always eat properly. Just feeling a little stronger that way.
Start your journey to better health. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com to get free shipping. And don't forget to get 35% off your first preferred order by using discount code KSFO.
We'll check traffic here on KSFO right after this.
This report is sponsored by the California DMV. Did you know that many DMV tasks, like renewing your registration or changing your address, can be done online when it's convenient for you? Check them off your to-do list without a trip to the DMV. Get started today at dmv.ca.gov/online.
Still stop traffic in San Rafael, 101 southbound after the 580 Francisco Boulevard connector. An earlier hit and run has been cleared. Traffic is still trying to recover from St. Vincent Drive. Sonoma 680 northbound over 84 east. Installed Big Rig has also been cleared here as well. Traffic is slow and go from Andrade Road. Sunnyvale 237 westbound before 101. We have CHP on the scene with a two-vehicle crash on the shoulder. You are slow from Fair Oaks Avenue. That's traffic. I'm Katie Green.
This report is sponsored by the Floor Store. During the Floor Store's pre-holiday sale, everything in the store is 30% off. Not a few things, not some things, 30% off everything. Go to floorstores.com for directions. The Floor Store, your Bay Area flooring authority.
Now here's something you don't hear much about guys on the radio anymore. He's live, he's unscripted, he's unrehearsed. He's Greg O'Donnell, and he's your personal financial advisor. Greg's not trying to sell you a book, and he's not so big and important that he'll be sending you to an offshore phone bank in a different time zone. And he's on at 11 every Saturday. Oh, and did I mention?
Oh, boy.